Okay guys, so I'm quickly going to show you how to use the U8 watch. A lot of questions have been coming in on how to start using the application for the smartwatch. As mentioned, the watch is compatible with Android and iPhone, but specifically for Android it has a lot more functions like pedometer, barometer, and certain things that you can do with the app, but you might not be able to do that with iPhone because it just simply doesn't allow it. So for iPhone you can just connect, talk on the phone, access your phone book and simple stuff like that. However, you will be unable to see notifications from Facebook or when you get a message. So anyway, like you can see, that's the watch itself. Turn it around. I'm gonna put it on quickly. Before I do that, let me just delete the notification app and show you how to do it again. Uninstall, and let me put my Bluetooth off. Okay, so Bluetooth connection is off. This left button here means yes and this one means no. Same thing like menu for this one, back for this one. This one will take you to dialing, calls, or whatever you need to do. But in this occasion, let's just quickly try to connect with Bluetooth. So as you can see, I'm gonna connect with Bluetooth, put Bluetooth on my Samsung Galaxy Note 4, make it visible to all devices, and simply search for a Bluetooth device to connect to. You can search new device and pair with your phone. However, on my one it's already connected, so I'm gonna quickly connect and see how long it takes to connect. Yeah, allow access to contacts. This means you'll be able to see contacts on your dialer and phone book and stuff. Note 4 is connected, and now you can see simple function. I'm gonna click on the phone icon and I can see my missed calls. I can see all sorts of things, dialed calls, and I can simply click that again to dial call, and it'll start dialing on my phone. As you can see, I'm gonna press cancel this here. You can see I can access everything from here and go all the way back. Now a quick one, what we get a lot is how to download the app for this. No need to get the barcode scanner, as a lot of times the barcode scanner on these instruction manual is really confusing. You have that in English too, but again, why not just simplify it? So anyway, I'm gonna click on Play Store on Android. Make it easier for you. I'm gonna search for an app called Bluetooth Notice. This one here, I'll click that, and as you can see, Bluetooth Notice maker is Yan Kun Quin. Install. Once you install that, accept all the permissions that it needs. Is downloading. Installing Bluetooth Notice. Anyway, I'm gonna open that on this occasion. It says Bluetooth notifications required to send application notifications to your remote device. Press OK to go to the accessibility settings to activate it. Okay, no problem. Now you need to go to the bottom and make sure BD notification services is switched to on. Okay, once that's on, from here you can select one second, let me just see. Okay, so I've put that on and I can see which apps I want notification to be pushed for. So here I can see personal apps. That's what you should look at. So eBay, fake GPS, Instagram, whatever you need, it'll come through. Going back, now I'll put on my watch and now I'll see if I can access my messages. So I'll click on menu, look at messages, inbox. It says please install BD Notifier app in remote device. This is simply because we need to restart the remote device itself, otherwise it won't work. So I'll hold the standby button on the side, which is this one. Just hold that down. Once that's done, I'm gonna put the watch back on and wait for it to turn on. It should slowly connect to my Bluetooth notification app itself. So it's connecting. Let's see what happens. Right, it's asking me to allow access to my contacts. I have connected it to my phone itself. and you can see BT notification is connected. Let me show you that message. Click to set BT notification automatically. You can see everything is on. So yes, it is working. Now let me show you if sorry about the messages I'm getting currently while making this video. Now quickly go on my messages, inbox, and it'll start to load my messages. So you can see all the messages. I'm not gonna open them. Sent messages you want. You can open all of them. Going next to your phone book, you should be able to see all your contacts and stuff. Just simply keep going down and it should show. The next option is the dialer, which simply means dial a call, and you can dial from here, not a problem. Let's go to the next option, is calls. Missed calls, dialed calls, received calls. This function you should be able to see in your iPhone too. BT notification is to see what notifications you're getting. So I've got a notification on WeChat. All I need to do is I need to swipe right, and I'll be able to do that by, on the top it says 2 to 5. If you notice that there, I want to go to 3 to 5, and I'll just simply do that. It might, yeah, there. So it shows 3 to 5. I'm just trying to show it to you. Yeah. Go back. So that basically shows you all your notifications, such as your emails. You can't reply to them, but you can view what the other person said. Bluetooth camera. So I'm just going to show you launch camera failed because I haven't put the camera on my side. I'm going to put the camera on this side and then try to do remote capture. So go back to the watch. Loading. As you can see, this time it has loaded, and I'm going to try to take a picture of this box itself, and I'll press this button to capture. You can also see I've got an image on the watch itself, so even if that is there, I can see everything here. So capture, and it takes the picture. So the picture's taken. Bluetooth music is basically start playing music. So I have over the horizon. Press the middle button to put the volume up or down. That's the loudspeaker on the side, and this is the charging port. So I'm gonna pause this, take you to the next thing that you can do with the watch. Settings. That's the notification app if you want to look at it. Google Play, let's just play around with it. That's the barcode scanner. Clock, if you want to change the clock type to analog 1 instead of digital. You will notice that now the watch will be analog mode, just like that. So let's go back to settings again. Let's check out what other settings are there. Time and date, you can change that there. Set home city. I'm not in Morocco, so I'm going to change Casablanca to maybe let me find London there. That's it. So I've changed my home city. I can set the date and time. Not going to go into it. Sound, you can, sorry, sound mode, ringtone you want when it rings. So you can select that. Volume you want for multimedia, keypad every time you type. So if it's too loud at night time, every time you press a button on your watch, you can change that from here. Cancel. Language. A lot of people ask this one. So if you want languages, there's French, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, Dutch, Polish, and yeah, that's what is there. Display, you can change the brightness if it's too bright for you, or dim the brightness. Cancel. Screen timeout, home page color. Battery, you can check how much battery there is. There's less battery. I hope it doesn't die. Power saving on, so basically your watch will be using less power, similar to what you get on your phone. Tools is calendar, alarm, calculator, you know all this stuff, but my fingers are not so small to be able to do that. I can put an alarm on for whatever time I want. Calendar, you can have a look. 2015, today is the 14th of January. anti-loss feature, status, you can turn it on, alert type, vibrate and ring. So basically anytime your phone goes away from you, it'll start to vibrate. Tools I've shown you already. Barometer is basically showing the temperature in the room, pressure outside and the altitude. Pedometer again will count how many steps you walk and how many calories you burnt. Pretty accurate, to be honest. And that's pretty much it, guys. I think I've shown you everything, but again, for iPhone there's only certain features you can do. You can just do Bluetooth pairing. You won't be able to see anything that requires to download an app, as iPhone App Store does not have this app available. It's only for Android devices that would particularly work with Samsung, Sony and other models that use Android. So guys, here's a full demonstration of the watch. I hope in 10 minutes you learn everything you needed to know about the watch, better than reading the instruction manual. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.